Greetings. Russia and Georgia are on the verge of abolishing visas and resuming direct flights. First, a visa-free regime will be determined, and a month after that, direct flights may resume. The construction of a cable car in Tbilisi, connecting Rustaveli Avenue and Mtatsminda Park, will be completed by the end of this year. The cable car will serve 1,000 passengers per hour. It will be possible to go down from Mtatsminda Park to Rustaveli Avenue in 4 minutes. On March 24, the cable car connecting Rike Park with the Narikala Fortress was restored in Tbilisi. The rising star of world football from the Italian club Napoli Khvicha Kvaratskhelia and his bride, a student of the Medical University Nitsa Tavadze, received a wedding blessing from the Catholicos-Patriarch of All Georgia. By the way, on March 25, Khvicha Kvaratskhelia will play in Batumi as part of the Georgian national team in a friendly match against the Mongolian national team. An embassy of Kyrgyzstan was opened in Georgia, in the Black Sea city of Poti. Despite the fact that last year Georgia raised taxes and fees for the gambling business, representatives of this sector paid almost 740 million lari to the country's budget. The trade turnover between Georgia and Russia last year exceeded $2.4 billion. The Bank of Georgia purchased the territory of the JSC electric locomotive building at an auction for $7.5 million. The factory is located in Tbilisi, on Rustaveli Avenue. The territory occupies more than 21 hectares and there are 50 buildings on it. The property was valued 5 times more. North Korea has tested a new weapon, a nuclear-capable underwater drone. Good luck to all of you.